Dear students and eco-citizens of tomorrow, behind every small action lies something bigger. I admire your desire to see the world grow and to grow with it, to follow your passions and reflect on your actions. Entrepreneurs, scientists, thinkers, and leaders of tomorrow, you embody change, one idea at a time. You work together and undertake tomorrow's projects today. My dear students, thank you for allowing me to learn more from you every day. With you leading the way, I know the future is in good hands.